lost in the AI conversation? Terms like neural networks, machine learning, deep learning get thrown around everywhere. But if you've ever nodded along without truly understanding them, you're not alone. This video is your Rosetta Stone to the future. We're breaking down AI jargon, giving you clear explanations, real-world examples, and a deeper understanding, so you can join the conversation with confidence. Let's start with machine learning. Machine learning, or ML, is when computers learn patterns from data, without needing step-by-step programming for every task. It's like training a dog. You don't tell it exactly how to sit. You show it enough examples until it learns the pattern. In the real world, machine learning is behind spam filters in your email, product recommendations on shopping sites, and fraud detection in banking. Neural networks. These are inspired by the human brain's network of neurons. They process information in layers. The first layer detects simple patterns. The next builds on those patterns, and deeper layers can identify complex ideas. For example, a neural network looking at a photo might start by detecting edges, then shapes, then finally recognize, oh, that's a cat. Deep learning. Think of this as a more advanced form of machine learning, using massive multi-layered neural networks. Deep learning shines when there's a huge amount of data, like millions of images or hours of audio. It's what makes voice assistants like Alexa, image recognition on your phone, and even self-driving cars possible. Algorithm. At its core, an algorithm is a set of instructions the computer follows to solve a problem. In AI, the algorithm decides how the data is processed, analyzed, and used to make predictions. It's like the recipe in cooking. The same ingredients can taste completely different depending on the recipe you follow. Natural language processing, NLP. This is how AI understands and generates human language. It allows machines to read, understand, and respond in a way that feels natural. Examples? Automatic translations, spell check, chatbots, and voice recognition on your phone. Training data. Before an AI model can think, it needs to learn, and it learns from data. Training data is like the school textbooks for AI. If the data is diverse and high quality, the AI learns well. If the data is biased or poor, the AI will make mistakes or have blind spots. Model. Once the AI is trained, the result is a model. The model is the brain that can now make predictions or decisions based on new information, without needing retraining every time. Overfitting. This is when an AI model learns too much from the training data, including the noise and irrelevant details. It performs great on training examples, but struggles with new, unseen situations. It's like memorizing the answers for one test instead of actually learning the subject. Bias in AI. AI reflects the data it's trained on. If the data contains stereotypes, errors, or lacks diversity, the AI will carry that bias into its decisions. That's why ethical AI development is becoming such a big topic. Now here's the takeaway. AI isn't magic. It's a combination of data, algorithms, and computational power. Once you understand the language, you can spot where AI is being used, and even think critically about whether it's being used well. So, next time someone mentions deep learning or NLP, you won't just nod along. You'll understand. If this video made AI jargon clearer for you, like this video, share it with someone who still thinks neural network is a sci-fi term. And subscribe to QWM, because the future is already here. And now, you speak its language.